Edwin, do you want to check this bag?
Yeah.
Okay, open it. What's inside this bag? Come on. Open it. No? You need some help? What's that? What's this? What's this? What's this? A raincoat. And then, what's that? What else? Oh yeah, we put the cereal. What else? A biscuit. Another biscuit. What's that? Coconut biscuits. A mess. No, 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 don't do that pasta. What else? Medicine? Oh, it's vitamins. Vitamins. Yan, may vitamins sa baby. Ano pa? Ano pa nasa bag ng baby? What's that? Huh? It's 2 sandwich. Can you count the sandwich? Oh, what else? Amen. It's rosary. Rosary. Do you know how to use this? Yep. No, more. Check more. There's more. More inside the bag. What's that? What's that? No. It's a spoon and fork. Give me that one. Give me that one. No, no, no. Oh, what else?
Wow.
Wow. Pabango. Oh, no. Godwin, give it to me. Ay, may pabango sa Dayday. May pabango sa Dayday. Ibabalik ko daw doon sa cabinet. What's that? A medicine daw. Medicine. A card daw. A wallet. A card. Wallet daw. Ano yan? What's that? Toothbrush and a toothpaste. Ano pa? Meron. Wala na? Oh. Sa bulsa. This one. What's that? What's this? A lotion?
A boss.
Medicine daw.
Pen.
A pen? What's the color of the pen?
Whoa. A pen.
Another pen.
Pen.
Too many pen. And what's that?
And me.
And then?
A daddy. Hey, yo, daddy.
ID. Give it to mama. Give it to mama. Put it back. What else? Nothing. Okay? No more. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.